Honor X5 Plus, a budget smartphone with amazing features. Are you looking for a new smartphone that offers great performance, stunning display, and long battery life without breaking the bank? If yes, then you might want to check out the Honor X5 Plus, a budget-friendly device that has some amazing features. The Honor X5 Plus is the latest addition to the Honor X series lineup, which is known for its affordable and reliable smartphones. The X5 Plus has a 6.56-inch FullView display with a 90Hz refresh rate, which delivers smooth and immersive visuals. The display also supports eye comfort mode and dark mode, which can reduce eye strain and save battery power. The X5 Plus is powered by a 4GB plus 64GB storage capacity, which can store up to 12,000 photos, 5,000 songs, or 45 movies. You can also expand the storage up to 512GB with a microSD card. The X5 Plus runs on the latest Android 13-based MagicOS 7.1, which supports Google mobile services and offers a smooth and secure user experience. One of the highlights of the X5 Plus is its 50-megapixels dual camera, which can capture stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition. The camera also supports AI scene recognition, HDR, night mode, and beauty mode, which can enhance your shots with smart algorithms. You can also record 1080p videos at 30 fps with the camera. The X5 Plus has a 5200 mAh battery, which can last for up to 2 days on a single charge. The battery also supports reverse charging, which means you can use the X5 Plus as a power bank to charge other devices. The X5 Plus also has a fingerprint sensor on the back, which can unlock your phone in a flash. The Honor X5 Plus is available in 3 colors: sunrise orange, ocean blue, and midnight black. The price of the X5 Plus is about $120 USD, which makes it one of the most affordable smartphones in the market. The Honor X5 Plus is a budget smartphone with amazing features that can meet your needs and expectations. Don't miss this opportunity to get your hands on this device and enjoy its benefits. Thank you very much for watching my video. I would be happy if you could subscribe my channel. See you again in a video about such technical tools. Have a nice day.